satu daripada segi kerjaya development, iaitu kita first of all daripada segi marketing kita akan lantik banyak distributor dan juga personal sales consultants lah from our company. And then the second one, kita akan hire more people untuk our company untuk promote this as increase. Okay, and then the third one, recruitment technicals lah, for technical people. Yes. Before orang macam kalau before they buy the things kan, and then once they buy the things, the increase punya product software, so we need the technical people to at least to explain to them how to use that. Okay, so far memang akan berjalan di seluruh Malaysia dan juga di Asia. What we have a plan, first in Indonesia, Singapore and so on lah.
Okay, the intention of building up kita punya own local software, which is MCRIS, is basically to overcome the issue of high cost untuk acquire software dengan hardware. Because I think CIDB have done a good job in doing a market research of what is hindering people from using BIM as a tools or as an application or even as a process in the construction industry. So kita dapat maklumat yang the cost issue is actually the major issue, including the training cost. So that's why Ascension Technology kita take kita punya own initiative untuk develop a fully local based product to overcome masalah ni. So we are selling our software at a much reasonable price, affordable price, and then to make sure that people in the market more willingly come into BIM, okay, to use BIM instead. So for example, I think a few software in the market that yang dah ada sekarang ni, mungkin certain software, maybe most of the software is daripada luar. Jadi in terms of local customization dia orang tak ada. Jadi local user ni kebanyakan daripada dia orang mahukan a few functions, a few features yang mana kalau kita cakap dengan software-software besar dia orang takkan dapat provide. So local software ni is actually also to cater that needs. Supaya contohnya seorang arkitek bila dia buat design, dia perlukan certain features dalam software dia. In terms of dia nak buat design or untuk buat submission. So kita nak adapt to these needs more frequently or more quickly. So for example, kalau software luar mungkin 3-4 tahun baru features atau function ni boleh dimasukkan sebab dia orang serve the entire world, the software. But for us, we serve the local need. So whatever requirement yang diperlukan oleh local players, kita boleh incorporate dalam kita punya software with a very reasonable cost within the software itself. So firstly is the cost. I think and the second one is to adaptability. Kalau look at the market, kita daripada tahun 90-an kita dah using AutoCAD, which is 2D punya system. So sekarang we are moving into 3D. Tapi when it comes to this transition period, bila terlalu banyak training or customization that needs to be done, dia buatkan orang jadi susah untuk adapt. So our software is basically macam 2D punya base software. Dia punya platform macam 2D base software. So basically you tak payah hantar your people to go for further training. You boleh immediately use the software, produce almost the exact same thing what you did previously, tapi as a free product you dapat 3D model from your 2D drawings. So ini dia punya key function. So kita tahu masalah dia satu cost dan satu adaptability. Bila kita kena hantar orang untuk training further untuk different software, dan bila orang ni dia dah mula pandai dengan other software, dia boleh jump to another company. So benda ni jadi satu isu dalam market whereby people take the approach of wait and see. Biar orang lain train dulu, kita just pick dia orang punya orang je. So benda ni takkan move on. I mean this thing is not gonna grow healthily among the market. So why not we build up a new software, our own software, which the normal designer pun boleh guna software ni, tak payah pergi training, further advanced training, but you get the good results that actually comply to BIM punya requirement. So this is the major, we think that this is a major hindrance and kita nak address isu ni lah, perkara ni. Okay, kita tahu most of the government players macam Putrajaya, Pembadanan Putrajaya, even JKR, diorang pun masih menanti-nanti local product. Of course, software bukanlah satu masalah yang besar bagi BIM, tapi local software yang boleh saya kata boleh mengadaptasi local punya needs, keperluan arkitek, keperluan kontraktor di dalam Malaysia, itu tak ada, masih tidak ada lagi. Jadi Ascension kita kerjasama dengan CIDB, kita pun push and promote kita punya software. Sebab bila kita buat local product, kita ada full control of kita punya software. Apa yang kita nak letak, apa yang kita nak tarik balik, kita ada full control. Jadi kalau market cenderung untuk ada di certain function, certain features, certain workflow dalam software, jadi kita boleh letakkan perkara tu dengan lebih mudah. So CIDB adalah I think it's a vehicle lah for everyone. Tapi kelebihan kita adalah kita homegrown product, and this is what especially the government agencies are waiting for. So this is how we actually work together dengan CIDB.